ಕಾಂಟ್ರವರ್ಸಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಅಂತ್ಯವಾಯಿತು ಸಿಸಿಎಲ್ ರೋಚಕ ಪಂದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಪೈರ್ ತಪ್ಪು ತೀರ್ಪೆ ಫೈನಲ್. ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನೈ ರೈನೋಸ್ ಕಮಾಲ್. ಇದೇ ಈ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ವಾರ್. ಸತತ ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳ ಕಾಲ ನಡೆದ ಸಿಸಿಎಲ್ ಸೀಸನ್ 2 ಕಡೆಗೂ ಕಾಂಟ್ರವರ್ಸಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಅಂತ್ಯವಾಯಿತು. ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಗೊಂದಲದ ತೀರ್ಪು ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಅಂಪೈರ್ಗಳು ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ವುಡ್ ಸೋಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪಾತ್ರ ವಹಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಅಂತಿಮ ಓವರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ನೀಡಿದ ಅಂಪೈರ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ರನ್ಔಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರು ಪೆವಿಲಿಯನ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು.
He's bunkered at him. That's not completely over because the ball hasn't been bowled. Well, the non-striker, he started to run before the ball was delivered, and he had not completed it. And there were still arguments and a lot of things, chatting going on.
So what does the rule suggest? The umpire is well within his rights to give that decision of run out. But one ball, I believe, still remains. He had not completed his action. Now that the rule states that before he completes his action, if he can effect the run out on the batsman, the non-striker is out of the crease. That, according to the rules of the law, the laws of the game, is out.
Well, drama unfolding, unbelievable. This is the beauty of the game. Springs up some strange incidences. It's been Mankaret, but as far as I'm concerned, the ball hasn't been bowled, Sabah. The ball hasn't been bowled, so they will have to bowl that one delivery. It's not counted as a ball, isn't it?
So two still needed from one delivery, and because he effected the run out before he delivered the ball, logically one ball is yet to be bowled.
Can't think about this because none of us were thinking. Well, it was terrific. Great presence of mind.
Yeah, but the question is, why is the batsman still there? So two still needed from the last delivery. See, Karthik is still there. So the new man have to come in.
It can make up to a perfect movie, isn't it?
ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ವಿಚಾರ. ಕಣ್ಣೆದುರೇ ಮೋಸ ನಡೀತಿದ್ರು, ಯಾರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದೇ ವೇಳೆ ಬುಲ್ಡೋಸರ್ ಆಟಗಾರರನ್ನ ರೇಗಿಸೋಕೆ ಬಂದ ಎದುರಾಳಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಿಚ್ಚ ಸುದೀಪ್ ಗರಂ ಆಗಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಸುನಿಲ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮುಂಬೈ ಹೀರೋಸ್ ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕನಾಗಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನ್ಯಾಯದ ಪರ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅಂಪೈರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ತೀರ್ಪು ತಪ್ಪು ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ವಿರೋಧವನ್ನ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದ್ರು.
I think it's very unfair, should have played within the spirit of the game and not got him run out, because it was decided yesterday where we all took a decision that there'll be one warning that will be given, after which you can. I don't know, I think it's not fair. Both of them played a brilliant game, which included Chennai and Karnataka. I'm not denying that at all. I mean, fantastic for CCL to, come to a stage where you need one run in the last ball. But when there was a decision taken, it's a spirit. It's sport finally, and it's a spirit of the game. I play my cricket from my heart, and I honestly believe that this game we've come together to unite the industry, and that's what should have been happening. I think everybody is disappointed, and justice hasn't been done.
ಗೇಮ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮರೆತಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಿಸಿಎಲ್ ನ ಫೈನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ವಿವರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ನೋಡೋಣ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಬ್ರೇಕ್.